good morning, my good people. Welcome back to the channel. Headed up to the mountains this morning, and we are up here at the North Georgia mountains now. So we're gonna have some fun up here. Got a brand new MT09 SP, the 2022, and then way the heck up there is the R7, or not the R7. Why I keep saying that? It's the MT07. So we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna run up here. It's gonna be busy though. We already seen like at least a half dozen bikes now. So but like I said, we'll come back to you once we are actually up there. So I'll be right back. We are sitting now at the base, basically, of Blue Mountain. Y'all ain't know, y'all ain't never been up here. Hopefully there's not too much GSP up here. Good God. Damn it if it ain't busy, right?
What?
I said, dang if it ain't busy today, right? That's cool though. Woo.
Y'all want to stop and hang out, or y'all want to keep going?
We can. I guess we can hang for a second. Oh way too wide. Too fast. Alright, ride your right, ride your right, ride your right, ride your right. Don't die. Oh, short people. Ah, short people. Ah. But yeah, man.
Man, that big right almost got you.
Yeah, I know. You see that? I was like, oh crap, dude. I was coming in so hot.
First big right. The
yeah.
Ending radius is like, and then like oh, it's gonna stop, and then it's like.
Yeah. Dude, I forgot about that. That's why I backed off, because I was trying to keep up with your pace. I was like, nope. I backed off. I was like, no, I gotta chill. Because I was trying to watch you. I'm trying to watch you, so I'm trying to learn from you.
Want me to slow down and do reliance on the way up?
Yeah. I mean, you don't have to, but I was just trying to watch you.
Easy, dude.
Yeah.
Go your own pace, brother.
Yeah.
So my first track day, I got infinitely faster. I followed one of the instructors. He wasn't going super fast, but just his lines were infinitely better than my lines.
Yeah.
It's just kind of understanding that.
Yeah. Well, we are done up here because we got popped for speeding. But we're out here with the MT09 that I met like a week or so back. His new 2022 SP, but he is quite the experienced rider. He is fast on that bike. Gives me a lot of hope, because that means that this SP, I'm not even pushing this SP. I'm not even pushing this SP, and so that makes me really hopeful that this bike will last me quite a while. It lasts me quite a while in regards to growing and maturing with the bike. So, but yeah, it was fun. Well, that is going to do it for today's video. I appreciate you guys sitting to the end of the video. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that sub button, hit the like, and share this content out to whoever and everyone that you want to. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.